Today, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code in Blogger. Whether you're customizing your blog's appearance, embedding special content, or adding interactive elements, knowing where and how to insert HTML gives you complete control over your Blogger site. Let's walk through the 3 different ways you can do this. First, head over to blogger.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your dashboard with all your blog management options. Now, there are actually 3 different places where you can add HTML code in Blogger, and each serves a different purpose. Let's start with the most common method, which is adding HTML directly to your blog posts. Click on any blog post you want to edit. You'll see the post editor open up, and in the upper left corner, locate the pencil icon. Click on it and select HTML view from the options. This switches your editor from the visual composition mode to the raw HTML code view, allowing you to work directly with the underlying code. Now, you can paste your HTML code right into this editor. The code will integrate with whatever content is already in your post. After you've pasted your HTML code, click the HTML icon again and switch back to Compose View. This lets you see exactly how your HTML code will render on the actual blog post, giving you a preview of what your readers will experience. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Publish button in the upper right corner to make your changes live. The second method is adding HTML code to your pages. On the left side panel, click on Pages. This section is where you manage static pages on your blog, like an About page or Contact page. Click New Page to create a fresh page. Just like before, click the pencil icon and change the view to HTML view. Here you can paste the HTML code specifically for this page. This method is perfect for creating custom layouts or embedding forms and other elements that should appear on standalone pages rather than blog posts. Once you're satisfied with your code, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. The last method involves editing your blog's theme directly, which gives you the most control over your entire site's appearance and functionality. On the left side panel, click on Theme. You'll see your current theme displayed here. Next to the Customize button, click the drop-down menu and select Edit HTML. This opens up the full HTML and CSS code that powers your blog's design. Here you can add your custom HTML code to modify how your entire blog looks and behaves. If you need to navigate quickly to specific sections, you can click the Jump to Widget icon to jump directly to areas like header, page list, and other key components of your theme. And there you have it, 3 different ways to add HTML code in Blogger, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.